Okay, guys, so here's a quick update. I was out on the road for about a week. I just got back, and the gutter system has been working flawless. I'm happy about that. And here's an update. I mean, from what you guys previously seen. Look at this kale. Grew up, definitely grew up out of the bag. Something got me right here, though. Look like something tried to eat me. I don't know. I think he quit after a while. He probably didn't. Maybe he got full off that one. These are the radishes. They're looking really good. And here's some more radish. I even see them forming little bulbs now. Let's see if I can get a picture. See that little. There it is. Little bulb right there. Little radish bulb. And that is cabbage. Looking like it's getting ready to start forming. That's what we want to see. And I'm really happy to see that the Swiss chard has started to come back. And it is looking really good. Got a little one down here. He's still hanging in there. And this is a kale that I put in after the first one. And it's growing out of the bag. So we'll be ready to harvest that soon. And these were the squash that I put in, yellow squash, that I put in about a week ago. So those are looking really good. And then for the standard stuff, we've got potatoes. Look at those guys. They are down there. They're doing their thing. This is our ginger, still growing wild. Another Swiss chard. We got some more little cabbages. Look at that basil. These two guys are cauliflower. They're looking pretty good. We got some more cabbage over there. And we got some kale here. This is a red kale. And another thing, in our crack key, these were broccoli, and it has been in there about a week, and it is hanging in there. It's doing good. And on this bottom one, we have spinach. And surprisingly to me, this spinach is doing pretty good. I have another one in the small greenhouse over here. I'm going to show you guys in a second, that don't seem to be doing as good as that one. And those ones, as you guys can see, I put on the sides of the bucket, where these guys I put on the top of the bucket. They're hanging in, but they look a little brown at the tips. Now that one in the back is growing really good. So this experiment about the spinach growing on the side, to me, looks like the one on the side is definitely growing better. So I know that I can grow it like that. But here's our pak choi. Look at that. Our pak choi is just, I'm definitely gonna have to go ahead and cook some of this. Yep, this is the one that I cut. It's already growing back. And this one I cut, look at this, it's got leaves in it. I had cut it. Look at that, it's already came back. You can see where I cut it at the bottom and ate it. And then this one I cut too and ate, and it's already grown back. One back here. Look at them leaves. Wow. So here's our collards. They're about ready to be transplanted soon. This is our Karabi. It's about 1, 2, 3, about 4 leaves in. It's ready to go. I'm going to wait a little bit longer before I transplant that. I believe this is more what is this? Broccoli. More broccoli ready to go. Here's our celery. Wow. Our lettuce. We got some cilantro down here. Collard greens. And more collard greens than that guy. This is our dill. And then check this out. Here is the strawberries. Doing really good. Color's great. Here's our lemon balm and our mint. Our oregano is still holding on in there, so I'm going to let it continue to do what it's doing. I thought that it would have gave up by now. We have another little cilantro in here, and it is hanging in there. I'm really surprised. And here's some more celery. And that'll do it for our garden update.